beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this wig that I have on my head. I'm just gonna do a quick review on this hair. If you want to see this review on this hair and how I got this look, keep on watching and I'll show you. Let's just get right into the video. Okay, so yes, I am looking a little bit ratchet right now with my scarf, but so I got this wig from Premier Lace Wigs and it did come DHL. It came in this bag. I will say, I mean, it didn't take too long, but it took too long for me. Just because I intentionally got the wig to do my photo shoot. I ordered the wig on Tuesday and I didn't get it until the next Tuesday. So yeah, I didn't too much like it. I talked to customer service and I'm like, okay, if I order this wig on today, then will it come by Friday or Saturday? And they're like, yeah, if you order it now. I'm waiting for this wig, and Friday and Saturday it was still in Ohio. So I'm like, are you serious? I did not get the wig in time. I ended up having to wear a whole other wig that I really didn't want to wear, but I mean, it turned out cute and my photo shoot turned out really, really nice. This is how it comes. I actually did not open this. Well, I lied. I opened it, but I didn't touch anything. So yeah, I just wanted to open it to see how it looks, but anything else, like, I didn't open anything. This is how it comes. It comes with the hair, an elastic band, which will probably work. Get a wig cap, which is definitely useful. This book, it shows you different like styles that they have, social media, and then they gave me a little, I guess it's a rose. I don't know. Yeah, it's a rose. It's kind of falling apart, but I don't know what I was supposed to do with that, but how it looks. It's really soft. It's a middle part. I don't know if you can see that. This is how it looks on the inside. Because it is one of their affordable wigs, obviously they don't have like the full lace in the front, but it is like the middle part. So I won't be able to part it anywhere else, which I'm definitely okay with. Okay, girl. Oh, okay. I really like it. Oh my God. Now that I see how it is, and it definitely do feel good in the back. I don't think I'm gonna need that that elastic band. Let me just cut the lace off. Okay. I'm gonna move it back a little bit. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking in my mirror. Yes, I'm really feeling this hair. I was having a little issue, so I decided to do it off camera because it will be a little bit better, and then I'll tell you exactly what I used. I used Beautiful Bronze in the middle, and I took my little my angled brush and I put it in there. I took the Gorilla Snot gel, and this is the Rockero one, and I use that to kind of make the middle look a little bit more natural. I don't feel like I need too much heat. I'm gonna use it's called Plugged In. I really like these. I have a curling wand, the same brand. I love it. This is the LP05 Indian Remy hair in 1B. This is the Yaki Bob, and the cap size is medium, and the hair density is 130. This is actually 12 inches. So yeah, I have a comb right here, a comb on this side, but I don't really have to use it because it's so snug. Where I tighten the back, I actually put it on the last two. So I actually don't even have to like use the clips or put an elastic band, because I feel like it definitely does hold. It really does not shed at all. It does feel like it's not like a lot of hair. It feels natural. Like it's not too much hair, it's not too bulky. The original price was $109, but I ended up using a coupon code. I got $10 off, so then it cost $99. The hair is really soft. I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, if you like Premier Lace wigs, or if you just like lace wigs, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my... Why do I say subscribe like that? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. And remember to hit that notification button, so whenever I upload another video, you'll get the notification. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.